How to fix ChatGPT something went wrong while generating your image problem. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings on your device. Click on apps and notifications. In here, simply click on ChatGPT. After you click on ChatGPT, you will find this kind of screen. In here, click on storage and cache, which is the third option. Then click on clear cache and clear storage. After you've done that, go back and click on permissions, which is the second option. After you click on permissions, make sure permission is given to camera, files, media, and microphone. Then open Play Store and search ChatGPT. Make sure there is no update available. If there is any update available, update. Then open ChatGPT and your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix ChatGPT something went wrong while generating your image problem. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.